Today's unboxing is the latest Honda Integra from Era Car Hong Kong. This is a Korea exclusive, and big thanks to the Korea team for sending this to me for review. Korea is the organizer for the Singapore Diecast Expo. They also do custom cars with printed livery for various events and themes. You can check out their Facebook page in the description down below. And now let's take a closer look at the Honda Integra Type R in metallic pink. Box design is unique to Korea exclusive design. You can see the silver stamping of the Era Car logo against the carbon fiber background. At the side, it features the Era Car and Korea logo. Wow, the Integra is shiny in metallic pink. Beautiful paint job with the metallic pink. It's very jarring and striking. Paint job is really premium, and I'm surprised that this casting has tons of details. The wheel sets are realistic and rolls extremely well. Lots of details in the interior, and it also features opening doors with the Type R logo cut across it with no problem, and still maintaining realism. Details of the seats are outstanding with high level of realism. Tons of details on the rear with the Honda badge, realistic plastic insert rear lights, and also the Korea logo on the car plate. The carbon hood is clean cut with opening features that reveals the detailed engine compartment. Not to mention the realistic plastic insert headlights that's integrated with the casting. Overall, this Honda Integra from Era Car Hong Kong is an all-round winner. You can find Era cars from your respective distributor. I'll provide the link down below in my comment section. Looking forward to more Era cars unboxing. And remember to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thanks everyone. Bye.